Hey everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. This is week 3 of my Mini Kit Monday for the month of March. And if you caught that quick glimpse of the photo, it is of my niece's twins. One of them is dressed, I would call normal, like her mom might have dressed her. And the other one was she dressed herself. She got a fuzzy hat on, she has on shorts, and she has on one purple sock. You know, when you're 4, you just go with it. So I'm sure my niece chose her battle. Like, oh, this ain't worth fighting. So I'm sure she sent her to school or preschool or daycare, whatever she goes to, just like that, because kids are kids. But I wanted to make sure that I scrap this because I think that it's very typical for 4-year-olds to dress like this. And using this kit, if you remember, I am using what I had put together with my LA Studio remnants of some of the other kits that I have. Most of it is family fun. I wanted to use these little labels. I have so many of them, and there were still so many that I didn't even pull. But I thought, you know what? Let me just pull as many as I can. I had no idea what I was going to do with them, but it works perfect for this. So I make this design that goes down the center, going horizontally, and it just brings out, it brings the focus to the photo, and having it on that navy background just really makes them pop. I love the border that I put around it. As you saw, that I had gutted it out because I do love the paper. I know I will eventually use it. Whether I use it on my last layout or not, I don't know. But I do love a good rainbow color, multicolor paper. So I think I trimmed out probably about an 8 by 8 piece out of that. Well, I didn't want to add a lot of other colors, so I pulled that gray heart out. And then this flower is a cut file that I had, and I've had it for a long time. I don't even remember where I got it. I don't even know if I can look and see, because I have hundreds of cut files, and my scan and cut program won't let me put them in folders. I would love to put them in folders, by like Paige Evans or, you know, um, Just Nick or something like that. And I have asked them, and they're like, no, we don't offer that. And I was like, ooh, it would make it so much easier. So I don't know who designed this, and I apologize. But look, it even comes with leaves. I'm going to go ahead and add the leaves. I'm not going to back anything except for the center. I was going to use that little yellow circle that comes with the LA Studio things, her die cuts, but it wasn't quite big enough. So I just got some scrap paper, which was a multicolor. It was kind of, zigzag color lines. You can, from this view, you can't even tell what it is, but it's very subtle. It's not white. It does have some multicolor. Now, on that gray heart, I added this other little red heart, and it has the word you in it. And that does not stay like that. And then magically, the LOVE just appeared. This was from my scan and cut. It was the alpha that they have uploaded. This is not like my favorite alpha. I have purchased many alpha from other people that I like so much better, but I wanted something really quick. So I just put that in my machine. I was able to cut it out quickly, and that was the whole point. I just wanted to get through this quickly. And then, just so that I don't add any more like color, I just took the gray letters from the LA Studio, the little stickers, and I I pulled out your style, and it's going to go right across the love, because I wasn't quite sure where to put this title. I really wanted something bold. So by using the white letters for the word love was pretty bold against this dark navy. and then I just put it in gray. So I figured that that was probably the best way to go about it. Now, I wanted to make sure that I mentioned the other ladies that are part of the Mini Kit Monday. There's a whole bunch of us. Leslie and Shannon are the two newest ones. There's Becky and Kathy and Dolly. We have a surprise coming up in the month of April. I don't want to tell you what it is at this point, but be looking for it. I think there's going to be a big announcement next week, so you're going to love it. So make sure you stop by the other ladies' channels, and that way you can see all the wonderful creations that they make as well. Give them some love, hit the like, and leave a message. We love hearing from you. Any feedback that you might have, any questions, we're all about that. All right, guys. There's just a few more things. I think I'm going to add a couple of hearts here. Oh, yes. I cannot forget to do this. There was like no dimension on my page, and you know how I feel about that. I've got to have a little bit of something. So my photograph is the thing that's going to be on the foam tape. Everything else is flat, very, very flat. I am just so loving this. I love that, the pop of color that goes across the middle. So there's a couple of hearts. Those are the wooden ones, but I don't keep them. I end up using a sticker. And I use the sticker, that little yellow heart is the same sticker. It's from Ellie Studio as this red one. So that way I have hearts in 3 places. And there are no sequins, no splatters, very unusual for me. But this is it. There are close-ups here, and I want to say thanks for joining me today. Leave a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.